Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about the TURK. Hey guys, thank you very much for tuning in. What I need you to do before we even start is to like, subscribe, share this video, put some comments down below. Make sure the algorithms know that we're here. Go to 3riverblades.com and purchase this knife, because this knife is awesome. I don't have too many of them. We're going to talk about this right now. Alright guys, the TURK Tactical Unit Rescue Knife. As you can see, it has some of this really cool design. This was designed specifically to go through aluminum or fuselage, if you will. It was more of a para-rescue knife. If you got rolled over in a vehicle or some type of aircraft, this was supposed to help get you out. That's why it was designed. It's very, very heavy duty. Let's talk about the specs. 5-inch blade, 11-inch handle, hollow grind. You do have these serrations on the back, although they are not a saw, but it can be used to get through some of that rough stuff, such as aluminum, or if you needed to make traps, you can. It does come with an integral guard, which is very nice. The handle itself does have a very ergonomic handle, 1/4 inch stock. This is G10. You can get it with wood scales, but I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend always going with a G10 or MICARTA, just simply for toughness and use. The lanyard hole on the back is actually a 1-inch oval. That's if you have 1-inch strapping. I designed it specifically so you could put 1-inch strapping through there. If you wanted to use it as a spear, you could, that kind of thing. Also, any other things that you need to clip to that, such as any type of survival items, you can do that as well. This is a really big beast of a knife, guys. This is designed for survival. I'm down, I'm hurt, I'm injured, that kind of thing, and I needed to survive in the woods. And this ergonomics on this handle really makes it feel comfortable in your hand. Talk a little bit about the sheath. The sheath is a pancake style sheath. It does have 3 holes on each side. Those holes are for the large tech lock. Again, these tech locks I sell on the website, but you can go to any website and purchase them. We don't make these, we have to buy them, so it is an added cost. If you wanted some other type of configuration, such as molly locks or molly system, so you could put it in your tactical vest, then we could do that for you as well. Just make sure on checkout, you check on the molly lock system, or put it in the notes and we'll put it on for you. You can get the finish. There's 3 different finishes you can get for this knife. Like I said, it's D2. So D2 is a semi-stainless steel, but you can get it in satin finish like you see here. You can also get it in subdued, so it doesn't have all that shine or that glare. You could also get it in Cerakote. So if you really wanted to tack out the knife, you can do that. So black, green, OD green, coyote, that kind of thing. You can get the knives in that color. And you can also get the sheath in that color as well to match. Guys, I wish I had something like this while I was in the Marine Corps. It's a very big, stout knife. I don't worry about using it and abusing it. Again, D2, we don't have to worry about the wet all too much. It is a semi-stainless steel, so you might want to keep a little bit of oil on it, but again, this is a user and abuser, and it's made for survival. That reverse Tanto tip right there is supposed to make it extremely strong and stout, not just for design, but also for stability and to make sure that that thing doesn't break. If you look on the knife right here towards the ricasso, it will be stamped with my maker's mark. This maker's mark happens to be upside down, so that's why it's my knife. It's not going to go anywhere. But if you want one of these, I'll make sure the maker's mark is correct. This one will never be sold, but I will make sure that yours is 100% correct before you get it. Guys, I have sold quite a bit of these knives. I don't make a lot of tactical stuff, so if you want a tactical knife, this is the one for you. Go to 3riverblades.com right now, pick one of these up, add all the options that you like, and put it in your cart and hit send. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple boxes down below. Those boxes are going to take you to some of my other videos. Hopefully you'll stick around and watch them if you're somebody that likes to watch my how-to videos, or if you just want to watch more reviews. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, add some comments down below. If you are somebody that owns this knife, let me know if you like it, if you don't like it, what you like about it, what you don't. let's throw it back and forth. If you think there could be some improvements on this design, also put it down in the comments down below. I'm always interested to hear what my viewers and my customers think. Make sure you get on that mailing list. That mailing list is the only place that I'm sending discount codes. Become a Patreon member. Patreon members only cost you $1 a month. Patreon members get to watch my videos early, so they don't have to wait around once a week to watch one of my videos. You can go straight on Patreon, get the whole gambit of stuff that I already have, plus any video that I upload, I automatically upload to Patreon immediately. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and again, make sure you pick one of these up. Once I sell these out, I'm not making any more, so if you want a really cool tactical survival knife, this is the one for you. Go to 3 River Blades and get it. As always guys, thank you very much and stay safe.